So for the piggy wings, basically what piggy wings are is it's pork ribs, but they're calling them piggy wings because they're going to be made in a similar fashion. So Disney calls these teriyaki wings. So I just got Lowry's teriyaki with pineapple juice marinade. And I'm going to pour that in here because I got a big slab of ribs. So, and brown sugar. And dang it, see, I thought I was prepared. Then we'll just whisk it up. And it really is as simple as that. That's the marinade. And you don't have to put the brown sugar in, but I put it in because it really isn't going to change the flavor, but it's going to add a little bit of stickiness to it, which I like. Okay, so here's my slab of ribs. It's a lot of ribs, and it's nice and defrosted. And, you know, you got the underside here. It looks like a human rib cage. But they have more ribs than we do. So we're just gonna. Uh-oh, I'm not ready. Hold on. I had to wash my hands off and grab a fork. Now, these ribs, you can cook these like this with no seasoning, and they are gonna be almost fall off the bone tender. But we want to marinate them because we want them to be teriyaki. So I'm just kind of, just slightly just piercing the top. I'm not like stabbing it because I don't want to break the structure of the rib. Okay. So I just take this marinade and pour it over the top. I want to say I did add a tiny bit of water to this marinade because it was a little salty. That's certainly not something you have to do. And then we just rub it. And we'll just puppies. Okay. So I'm gonna lay it face down, or you know, the meaty side down in the marinade for a little while. And this isn't gonna marinate for very long, maybe 45 minutes. And I'm gonna put these in the oven. Oh, and you wanna, before you put it in the oven, you wanna get some of that, the extra marinade off because it will burn and be scorchy. And I personally like the flavor, but it makes a mess on the pan. So I'm gonna let this marinate for a little bit and then I will be back. Okay, so here's my slab of ribs. And I'm gonna cut it up and plate it. All right. So here are the piggy wings. They're cooked perfectly. And then we have to top them with some sesame seeds. And there they are. And I'm gonna have Eric taste them. Oh, there you are. And how is it?
They're good?
Is it as good as anything you've ever had at Disney World?
Yes.
All right.